Hey guys, what's up? It's Annie. I'm here with my first order from Freebird Fizzies. They are an Etsy bath and body seller, and they were having a huge sale after Christmas. And I don't know if it'll say on my invoice here. Let me check. But I ended up getting some crazy deals. Yeah, look at this right here. $88, applied discounts $52.80, order total $35.20. 88, $35.20. So yeah, I couldn't pass that up. All right, so let's get in here. Nicely packed. Okay, I got, ooh, these are a little crusty. Look at that. That is a very crumbly boy. Very crumbly. This one looks really good. The front of that's very pretty. These are the Tombstone bath bombs. Dead to Me. Lush dupe of, it says ciders. I don't know if you can see that, but it says lush dupe of ciders. I wonder if that's supposed to say cinders. Yes, this one's definitely broken right there. That's all right though, I got two of them. Okay, and I did get some wax. So fresh and so clean. Crisp Air Clean Laundry Fresh Cotton Lemon. Sorry, my girlfriend called. Crisp Air Clean Laundry Fresh Cotton Lemon and Light Musk. That sounded right up my alley. I haven't smelled it yet, so let me go ahead and do that. Aw, it tore the label when I opened it. That sucks. Oh, it smells really good though. Kind of floral. All right, let's keep going. We'll do all the bath bombs here. Ooh, this one's in great condition. Look at this. Beautiful. This is Mort Death. Let's see if it says what it's scented in. No, it doesn't say. All right. Okay, a little brain with a little penis on it. Freebird Fizzies is known for doing the Mega Manaconda bath bombs, which I don't know if you've seen, but they're huge penis bombs that are like this big, you know. So this one has a little penis soap on it, which is super cute. And this is like the brain oozing slime bath bomb or something like that. I think it's scented in grape. It's really cute. All right. Then I got this cute little Christmas tree bath bomb. It has like little ornaments on it and stuff. And I'm pretty sure, okay, it is a little full, a lot of sap. And I think it's scented in like a tree scent, so that is super cute. And pretty sure this is the last bath bomb here. It's an Ornament. Super pretty. Good old-fashioned family Christmas. So that is so cute. Looks like it's a little bit crumbly here at the bottom, but not too bad. And my cat is loving this bubble wrap that came in this box. She loves it. Okay, only a couple more things in here. Wasn't very big order, but figured I'd show it off. Look at this. This is so pretty. Freebird Fizzies, Fallen For You, Pumpkin Eggnog Whipped Body Scrub. Okay, so this label is just paper. So I am like 99.9% sure that this will like be super gross as soon as you get it wet. So that's not great because obviously it's a whipped scrub and you would typically use that in the shower. So I guess I'll have to like solely use this in the bath when I can be sure that I can like dry off my hands on the towel on the side and then dip my hands into this. So it's a little bit of a bummer that it's a paper label. Okay, but it did come with a little like protective seal right there. It popped off, but it did. Really pretty. Oh my God, it smells so good. It's a very whippy texture, like definitely gets stuck to your finger a little bit. It's not like Candy Panda. I can't wait to try that though. Oh, it smells so good. It kind of smells like a wax melt. Oh my God, look at this. It came with a little scoop for the scrub. That's the cutest thing ever. Like, look how tiny it is. It's so little. That is so cute. I love getting stuff like that from Body's Harmony before with scoopable wax. I've had like a little tiny spoon come with it, and I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. Okay, 2 more things. I got this bubble dust, cremated remains. So this is so cute. It like comes in a jar that like red pepper flakes would come in, you know, at the grocery store, and it has like even the top where you can like get a spoon, or you can sprinkle it just how they have like the red pepper flakes. So that is so cute, and I'm pretty sure it's coconut scented. Yeah, that smells good. It's kind of like a floral coconut. So I can't wait to use that. I love any kind of powders, dusts, anything like that where you can just add however much you want, so you don't have to use like a whole bath bomb if you're only going to take a short bath or something like that. I love being able to add my own amount. Okay, and then I ordered a candle. And this is a reference to Christmas movie, Lampoon's Family Vacation or Family Christmas or whatever. Fried Pussycat. If that thing had 9 lives, he just spent them all. And it's scented in cinnamon sticks. And I love the way this looks. Because I guess because it's like a fried, so they did it with like this little effect to it. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Oh, and it smells great. I love cinnamon, so I had no qualms about getting a cinnamon stick scented candle. Kind of a tongue twister. So those wicks look, yeah, they're fine. Just gotta pull them up. That one's, they're a little off center, but I'm sure it'll be fine once I start melting them. Okay, and I do love this jar. This jar is definitely gonna be a keep after I burn it down. Look at the wood top. I'm so about that, and it's like airtight. Ooh, satisfying. So I'm pretty happy with my haul, especially if this stuff is normally $88 to get it all, and now it was $35.20. And you know, I know Etsy sellers had to raise up their prices because they have to do free shipping now, or else they don't get featured on the Etsy first pages, and you'll never find their products unless you already know to look for them by name. So I know most Etsy sellers ended up having to raise the prices of their products so that they can offer the free shipping, which is what Etsy wants. So I'm not mad about it. I like free shipping. Honestly, just seeing free shipping makes me feel better than spending like $7 on shipping and having the products be cheaper. That's just me, just like a weird thing where I think it's satisfying. I'm so disappointed in how crumbly this one is. Like, I wonder how this looked before it got sent to me. I swear I knew what it looked like before, but it was so cute because I see it's got like a little spider web in the corner, which this one doesn't have. So I do think it's cool that these two were like listed as the same thing, but they are 2 different shapes. I really like that. And this one seems to be like some kind of a floral scent. I can't really smell all of them, but I know this one's like a tree scent, and these two are like floral, and I think this one's grape. This one's coconut. So thank you guys so much for watching my haul. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more bath and body things. And have a good one, guys.